Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add checklist in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and put your mouse cursor where you want to add checklist, and here you will find this checklist icon. Now click on this checklist, this is, and now click check and see this strike through already applied and uncheck. I will press insert checklist here, again click here, and I will add without strike through checklist and see this. This is with strike through, and this is without strike through. Yeah, in this way you can add checklist your document. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.